Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Studio U Education. Today we will talk about the Vizag tragedy. So, what is this tragedy? A major gas leak from a chemical plant in the Andhra Pradesh Visakhapatnam occurred early on 7th May 2020, and quickly this gas is spread to the village in 5 km radius. A large number of domestic animals, pets, and plants have also been impacted and many collapsed to the ground as they tried to escape the toxic vapors. And after the leakage, many people could be lies unconscious and sidewalk near ditches and on the road. The source of the leak was a styrene plant owned by South Korean Electronics (LG) located at RRV Puram near about 15 km from the ghost city. So, why this disaster take place? Styrene monomer was being used at manufacturing plant to produce expendable plastics. The storage requirement of styrene monomer said that it should be stored strictly at temperature below 17 degrees Celsius. There was a temporary partial shutdown of plant due to COVID-19, excluding maintenance activity in the plant, which were being carried out as per a predetermined schedule. The problem begins as a result of styrene gas not being stored at an appropriate temperature. This caused pressure to build up in the storage chamber and led the valve to break, resulting in the gas leakage. The container that was being used to store styrene gas was old and properly not maintained. The gas was stored in two tanks with total capacity of 5 metric ton. This maintenance of the facility resulted in the leakage of 3 tons of styrene in the surrounding areas. Another issue was there is no monitoring mechanism that was installed to specifically detect styrene. This facility is spread over 600 acres of the land including the nearby residential areas. The impact zone has been in the range of 2 to 3 km. So, what is the styrene? Styrene is an organic compound used in the manufacture of polymer, plastic, and resins. It is manufactured in the petrochemical refineries. It is likely a carcinogenic substance. So, what is the carcinogenic substances? It is that which promote the carcinogenesis, means the formation of cancer. It can be in the form of radiation, and this may be due to ability to damage the genomes or the disruption of metabolic process. Genomes means the complete set of genes or genetic material present in a cell, and the short-term exposure to styrene in human results in eye irritation and etc. And about long-term exposure results in the impact of the central nervous system and leading headache, weakness, depression, etc. So, thank you from our side. Please like, share, and